Welcome. My name is Thomas Ledford, aka Taxman88, and I'm going to go through SamCart again with another review where I'm going to create a quick product and show you the different features and how it works on allowing you to build out your sales page to sell your products and services on if you plan on selling digital products online, or if you're already and you're not sure what platform you want to use. SamCart is one of them that I use already. Podia is another one that I use already, so I'll be doing a video on Podia as well sometime this month. So just to get started, I'm at the SamCart login page. I'm going to click login. It brings you to this here. So if you had any sales activities, it's going to show you right here what you had. Whatever page you promote, and it's going to show you the views on it. I'm mainly promoting the demo version of the uh, course that you can enroll in and learn more about SamCart to see if there's something you want to enroll into. So I'm gonna go to products. These are products I already have. These pages are still live. So if you go and see a promotion that you like and you want to purchase it, you can do so while they're still live. After this month, going into September, I'm gonna deactivate some of these pages because, like I said, a lot of the offers are over with. Uh, Only one that's current right now is this one for $4.99 for payments or a one-time payment of $1,999. Those are the two different options that's going on right now, and that's for the full price of my coaching mentorship program. So what I'm gonna do is go to create new product. We're gonna name it uh, demo create. And we're gonna basically just use this description here. Demo create. One-time payment. The price is $7. And we're gonna hit create. So that's the first step to creating a new product or service. And then from here, we're gonna go to checkout page. This is the training you want to take on the one-page blueprint. You want to take that training prior to coming to this here part and building out your product. And so from there, I'm gonna go down to drag and drop launch builder. And see, this here works like this. No matter what page you've already created, when it's time to create a new product, this stuff is gonna carry over. So you're gonna have to basically delete this and start from scratch. Uh, so what we're gonna do is just a headline. We got the text, we got the divider, we got bullet points, we got buttons, we got images, we got a video we can put in, we got icons you can use. So these are some of the main widgets I would call them to building out your sales page. And so for this here, say if I want to go with headline. So with the headline, now this here. So when it comes to this information here, you can either keep if you want to put your own message in here, you can keep this here and just uh, get rid of all of it and type your own in. That's if you don't have a problem with the current format that it's under. Then when it comes to image, leave the image here, drag it over, do another image. I'm gonna choose from library images. We'll take them already done like that. Insert the image. Boom. So that's how we throw the image in. This here is a text box where I can rewrite my own text for this section. Then I can do the same for this section. You know, all this here can be taken out and done how I want it. And so when it comes to sale page, uh, these are the different ways you can edit your sale page. Like I said, I do another image in. If I want to, can add a video later. I do some more text, bullet points. I normally do when I want to outline what you get inside my coaching program. Then I do bullet points for what you're gonna get inside the bonuses. So those are two different areas where I do bullet points when I'm pointing out something. Like I say, images, videos you can do, text is obvious, headlines. And so those are countdown time if you want to do the guarantee option, testimonials. Uh, so these are all the different things you can use to help build out your sales page. So this is a sales page that helps sell whatever that person trying to sell, and they can purchase once they decided that they're ready to buy. So this is a sales page with a checkout button, all built into one. So that's how you use this. And so for this video, I'm not about to build out anything. I'm just showing you a few of the features, which is image was the easy one to show you. And then from there, this here box, delete. I decide I want to do a video right here. So if I want to do a video, put the YouTube URL right here. That's how you would do the video. You would put the URL, you know, so you'll basically follow this format while the video. Then here, if you got some more stuff you want to say, you can edit that out, type what you want. These images you can remove. So more likely I'll remove these images because they wouldn't fit for what I'm trying to do no way. So I would remove these images. So time, because they would put them one at a time. So if you want to do another image, you put that right up in here. Image will go right here. So I would go here, say I want to do that. So that's one I use a lot because that branding me and my company, what I do inside my sales page. And so those are some of the things you can do when it comes to building out your own sales page on the SamCart, all in one platform. And like I say, I'll go back. And this is the newest feature they added in May, which is the course app. This here is a powerful thing if you leverage it right. So I can build out courses to give away for free or very low entry price to help sell my coaching program. See, my coaching is a high-end product which sells for $1,999. And so if I'm trying to really sell it, I'm trying to make it my flagship program, then I would come up with something in a way of a course that's going to lay that all out for them from A to Z for either a small low price or free. It depends on my mindset at the time. But more likely, when we being established in this industry of tax preparation, taxation, career industry, 20 years, 14 as a business owner, I would make it a low price entry point where they would pay something for this, and then from consuming this course is all designed to make the next steps of joining my mentorship and coaching program, which is 18-month membership. So that's how that works when it comes to SamCart, uh, all-in-one platform where you can sell your products and services through a one-page sales page and checkout. And then the new feature that they brought in May, where you can also do courses. You definitely want to leverage that opportunity to do courses that's going to help sell whatever product or service you already have in place. So those, uh, this here, if you need to leverage this to help you sell your product and service, especially if you're new and you're just getting started, no one knows who you are. you haven't built up no like and trust, you haven't built up no credibility, putting together a simple course uh, that's going to bring value to your ideal client is going to be key to selling your main flagship program. And so this is SamCart.com uh, platform that I'm using. Like I said, I also sell on Podia. There's a few other sites I'm gonna be putting products and services on that I will be selling from, because that's what it's all about, is having your own products and services that you can sell online. And I'll see you in my next video.